So we are now starting. I will just make sure we have everything in order. Are we live? Yes, we are. Then I'll just get the link so I can post in groups. Now let's see. Now let's see. Let's post it in Twitter also. So 2 accounts, we should take care also. And there. Okay. Then I'll start the recording and we can start. So now I'll just log in. Today we are only going to trade on this broker here at Pocket Option. If you see this in a recording and you want to be a part of this type of session in the future, you find a link below the video so you can join. Also you find a link to this broker and all this good stuff. So now let's get started. I will now explain a little how we're going to trade. We can see I'll find specific areas where I see the market start to bunch. That is in specific areas where we have support and resistance, like you see down here, and we see every bar close above here. If for some reason we close with a bar below this one over here, we will then do a hedge order and go the other way. We also can say that up here we have something, so if we go above this one we will remove. Let's remove that one. So this is right now our two trading options we have. It's the green line you see up here and the green line you see here. So if we come down to the green line here, we will push higher. If we go above this, we'll go up to this line here, we go lower. If we close above here, we will hedge and go higher. If we go below and close below here, we will hedge and go lower. So that is our trading plan. So now let's see how we can do that. And this was almost a trade for lower. We just need to wait. We need there, we go lower. If we close now above this, we will go higher. Let's see. Now we need to wait. I go on there. Just because it's a hedge order, we did close above. I waited him to go a little back before I did hedge. So in this way, we only lose $8 on the first trade. So now we lost the first, I did hedge, and we now are going to lose only $8. Now we can move this one up to around these levels there. So if we go up there, we are going to push lower. So there you see we won. In that case, when you go back here now, you see we did a trade here now. We lost $100, but we did hedge, and then we basically are down just $8. So it's that simple. So that is hedging for you. So that is how you can get out of a losing trade. So when a support or resistance is not holding, we basically just stay patient and we hedge. Now this might be, let's see, a new area of interest. I want to see I always wait for confirmation that he will not just break completely down again. I will do no, just wait. I want actually a couple of times before I think that this line will hold. So now he's a little low here now. I don't like it. So there's a big chance he will just break through down. It's not written in stone he will do it yet. But you see he closed it. Now he's more like retesting, so now he will go down. You see? So I could have taken a downtrend there because I knew he was going to do it. Because he had the retest and he started to build down. It's a nice down trade. So if he come up here again, I might do so. Okay, now he did go too high up. Now actually, to be quite frankly, I will not trade more here now because you see he break up down through this support resistance. That only shows me that it's very weak. But this one up here did hold before, so we will take a short trade there. If nothing more happen here, that he will be play around in this uninteresting area, we will try to find another trade. I will also take a small look how many that is live, if you have any. If no one is live, I'll take this session a little shorter. This will be, by the way, I'm not trading 1 hour now. My day is too busy for that, but I do some a little, so the people that follow, they have a possibility to learn a little from me. So yes, if you come up to this region here, we will push the lower bottom. Don't need to go all the way up the line. I think I will be modest and take it. I will take a trade there. So now let's see, we can make this line thicker. Can we do that? Let's do that. Ah, I like that. So if you come up to this thick line there, let's make this one also the thickest. We can also change the color just for fun. There. Then we are set. So if you come up to this red line, we'll push down. If you come down to the green line, we'll push up. And if we cross, we will hedge. Hopefully we can get a few trades in before hedging, because hedging we don't make money. We just save ourselves money. So we don't want to be hedging every time. We need to be winning a few times on these lines. Otherwise it's not worth it. I feel a little far away, so we should consider look for one more pair. Let's take this one. I do not see anything here on the trade. Let's continue. Here, let me see the bottom here now. I think we can go in with a line. Let's move it. If we can come down to this green line there, we can push up. Let's see. We can make it a little thicker. So if we come down to this green, we will go up. And let's wait and see if we can get in a trade. We are ready. We are up in. That was a nice entry on the green line. But we are ready to hedge if we choose to go below. The entry I'm happy with. If we close now, we will take a hedging order. We are in with a hedging order. Now let's see. I will hedge up also 2 times. Now let's see how this will turn out. So we have a few orders here now. One more there. Okay, now we need to take a 500 up. Up from there. That's it. Would be nice if you could cross about this $100 one up there. Let's see. We won that one, and let's see. I think we win the last also, and there. Then I think we turn at some profit. I think what we need to do now is to do some calculations. So let me see, the trades we did is from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700 plus 1000, it's 1700. The minus will be the profit, so you calculate this way. So we have 192 minus 192, minus is profit, okay, minus 960, minus 960, minus 960, 960. We made a profit of $412 on this trade. So you can see it was a little, we did hedge many times, but in the end we turned a lot of profit. And this time I did hedge, so I did get profit, because I did see that we had an area down here, we had a new support. I did never mark it up, but I had a, no, so then I did take a trade on the support, but I did take bigger trades, 2 bigger trades, just so we turned at profit. So this was for maybe when you see the first time something like this, it was a little messy. It was all controlled trades. So you can see now, if I can mark it one more time here now, we see that we have down in this region here, we have a new support, and that's a very beautiful area also to go in with a trade. So now we'll take a $50 trade down there, because I'm actually happy with the profit for today. See if we come down to this green line, we can then take a $50 trade. So that is basically how you can trade. Now I will see if there are anyone live seeing this session. If not, we will take it short. Let me see. Looks like, let me see, looks like we don't have anyone looking this session, and then I don't see a reason to take it too long, because I'm actually happy with the profit we have made. And now basically in this case, if I take the 50 trade on here now, we would, if he closed it below here, we would have taken a hedging trade. But you see, he still he stay above it. So you see this support down here is very strong. Yes, we get these fake outs, but that is completely normal. So with that, have an amazing day, and one more day in profit. I love it. So make sure you join me and be a part of my crew, and let's make some money together.